If you want to see about using flameless heaters in areas where a fire would be undesirable, stay tuned. It's July 2018. It's summer. It's been hot for days and days now. England's green and pleasant land is not so green, but it's still so pleasant. Parts of Britain are looking like the Mediterranean. This means that open fires are a no-no. We've already had fires on Saddleworth Moors and in Otterburn. Open fires are extremely dangerous. Liquid fuel might spill and gas might tip over. So you either use self-heating tins or flameless heaters. Here we can see various flameless heaters. The old style American one made in UK for the civilian market, and a British military one. The heaters and military style food packs can be bought online. American MREs have been around for a long time. However, they tend to be system specific, so you have to use American MREs with the heater. What I'm going to do is see if we can use it to heat water. We put the water in the heater, we shall see if it works, but it is rather old. I've tried another MRE heating pack and it's not working either. They're very old. They're obviously way past their sell-by date. Check all the use-by dates on all your kit periodically. Well, we found one that's actually working. Well, we can see the bag is producing some heat and it's just about to knock over the cup. For boiling water, the old out-of-date MRE cooker is a failure. The hot pack heater is designed for use with commercially available foil-packed meals. Very similar in operation to the American one. The idea is you put in the meal, the water, leave it for 12 minutes and then it should be piping hot. We don't have a meal pouch holder, but we're going to try it anyway. You have to take care and fill it up slowly. We're going to leave it here for 12 minutes and we'll see how it goes. After about 30 seconds, we can see that it's really steaming. Then again, this is new and not over 10 years old. The 12 minutes is up, so let's see if it's actually worked. The food bag is hot to the touch, too hot to hold. We'll open it up, put it in the cup and see how it goes. The food is acceptably hot. It has been properly cooked. The heater used by the British Army is available on the internet. First you tear off the top, then you put in the food pouch, add the water up to the fill line and then turn the top over and stick it down with a sealing strip. Then lay it flat and come back in 12 minutes. The packet expands as the element heats up. So after 12 minutes the bag is uncomfortably hot to the touch and the food should be ready. So we'll rip the top off and get it eaten. Flameless heaters, a success, although you do have to dispose of them carefully due to the chemicals involved. If you don't want to use flameless heaters, one idea is to pre-cook your food and store it in good quality flasks. So get out there, get training. You know it makes sense. It will serve you well.